Umentri bepet ya ketenat kekwat kekiak kejela bak wailat miki Shillong leithu hadu menta kidang ap ya ke Jubab na ke Ophis jong Umentri rang badu Narendra Modi na ke benta ba unwan Plie ya ke Shillong Medical College Beningkong ha Meghalaya. Habakren bekilap pathai Khubor Umentri leithu menta kejela kedang yai ap ya ke Jubab na ke Ophis jong Umentri rang badu na ke benta kepor bat ketarik ban Plie ya ke ni ke college. Shushu Umintri ula pentip bekajing pentrai mentai ketura Medical College kaladap hadu kendai pesan persen AA kajing tray.
Till now, not yet, because even last time we, I think in 2 occasions where we already decide, but later on I think one and another thing came, so that's why we have to cancel it. So even now also we are in touch, and then we are still awaiting for the date from the Prime Minister. Even last time our Union Minister for Health also came, then I also reminded him during in one of the program during the inauguration of RE Hospital in this Jubab area. So there also I reminded him that we are still awaiting for the dates and time from PM and from himself, then for the inauguration. So I think very soon, hopefully very soon, I think we'll be able to fix and finalize.